Hello everyone, sets part 3, subset and universal set. These are the concepts that I'll be going through in this video. First is the subset. A set A is said to be a subset of set B if every element of A is an element of B. And it can be symbolically expressed as shown. That is, A is a subset of capital B if small letter A is an element of capital A, which implies small letter A is an element of B. This means that every element which is present in A is also there in B. It needn't be necessary that all the elements present in B be present in capital A. In this case also, we are considering two sets A and B, such that A is a subset of B and B is also a subset of A. This condition will only be true if and only if A equal to B. Now a set is a subset of itself. Then another important condition is phi, which is the null set, is a subset of every set. Now example, we can take a set of students in class 11. It is a subset of the set of all students studying in the school. Now if A is a subset of B and A not equal to B, then A is called a proper subset of B and B is called superset of A. Now we can see the intervals as subsets of R, that is real numbers. For this, we can consider two elements A, B, which are an element of the real number set, such that A is lesser than B. Then the set of real numbers Y such that Y is greater than A and lesser than B, that is Y is between A and B, is called an open interval and is denoted by A, B enclosed in brackets. Now, if we have to include the endpoints, that is A and B, in the interval, it becomes a closed interval. And a closed interval is represented by square bracket A, B. That is, square brackets A, B is equal to set of all x such that x is greater than or equal to A and lesser than or equal to B. Now, this figure shows the different kinds of intervals. First is the open interval AB, in which the elements A and B are excluded. In the next figure, it shows the closed interval AB, in which A and B are included. In the case of the third figure, it is an open interval in which element A is included while the element B is excluded. And the fourth figure shows an open interval in which the element A is excluded and the element B is included. Now, power set. The collection of all subsets of a set A is called the power set of A. It is denoted by P of A. That is, all the elements present in the power set are sets. If n of A, that is the number of elements of set A, is equal to m, then number of elements of P of A is equal to 2 raised to n. Now we shall see an example. For that we can consider a set A having elements 1, 2. Then the power set is equal to 5, set 1, set 2, set 1, 2. Here the total number of elements of P of A is equal to 4, which is equal to 2 square. The same as given by the above formula. Now we shall see about universal set. A universal set is a set which contains all elements or objects of other sets, including its own elements. It is usually denoted by the symbol U. Now we can see an example. We can consider three sets, namely set A, which contains the elements 2, 3, 5, set B, which contains the elements 6, 5, 8, and the set C, which contains the elements 1, 4, 6, 7. Then the universal set for these three sets is capital U is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We can see that the sets A, B, C are all subsets of the universal set. Now we can see an example problem. Consider the sets 5, which is the null set. Set A is equal to 1, 3. Set B is equal to 1, 5, 9. C is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Now we have to insert the simple subset or not a subset between each of the following pair of sets. Now we can see the solution. For the first one, 5, which is the null set. We know that null set is always a subset of every other set. So 5 is a subset of B. The second case, A is not a subset of B, as 3, which is an element of A, is not present in set B. A is a subset of C, as 1, 3, which are elements of A, also belongs to the set C. Now the fourth one, B is a subset of C, as each element of B is also an element of C. So this is the end of this video. If you have got any doubt, please comment in the section below. Thank you.